Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1970 Camaro, split bumper, LS powered, Texas cam, strong running vehicle, 4-speed automatic, vintage hair, vintage heat, disc brakes, steering, custom digital gauges, Ford 9-inch rear end. Just a nice car. Cortez Silver, nice paint, nice body lines. Beautiful car. Please like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow the channel. But just a gorgeous car. You'll find a ton of pictures at www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. It's got the chin spoiler, the rear spoiler, just great body lines. If you'd like to fly in, check this out in person. St. Louis International, Lambert, one and the same. Just let us know when you're coming, forward us your itinerary. Be more than happy to pick you up, take you out for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. But just a nice car. Great body lines. Did see a little scratch here. I think that will buff out. All the chrome trim and bright work is nice on the car. There's a little chip right there. We do have the correct paint. We'll touch it up. Just got it in. Just wanted to get it while we had a sunny day before the rain. Cowl hood, said great body lines. There was one other chip here. Then we'll have that touched up. But just a cool car. Got American Racing torque thrust wheels, 5-spoke. Nice sound system in here. The jams are done. I believe everything on the car is working and functioning as it should correctly. Drives out fantastic. Strong running car. Extremely strong running car. Does have a slight tint to the windows. Great car. You can pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. 4-speed automatic, JVC head unit, JBL speakers, and all the gauges work, wiper horn, AC, heat, all that good stuff. We'll take her for a ride. Find a ton of pictures at www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. Like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. We do have fantastic financing options. We have 3 companies. They're all listed on our website. Easy, direct lending. Usually it's 10% down. Up to 15 years, depending on the price point of the cars. We've sold many 6-figure cars, and they were able to go out 15 years. Good terms, great rates. So you don't need all the money to drive. We can assist with transportation. for Mars.